Want to see nature's most colorful flying rainbow? Meet the Scarlet Macaw, the world's most striking parrot. These incredible birds can live up to 75 years in captivity and grow to be a massive 33 inches long from beak to tail. Their vibrant red feathers are mixed with bright yellow and blue wings, making them impossible to miss as they soar through the rainforest canopy. But here's what's wild. They can eat fruits that would kill other animals. Their secret? They eat clay from riverbanks that helps them neutralize the toxins. These intelligent birds mate for life and communicate through loud squawks that can be carried for miles throughout the jungle. Each macaw even has its own unique voice. Sadly, these beautiful birds face serious threats. Poachers can sell them for thousands of dollars as pets, while deforestation destroys their rainforest homes. Want to help? Support rainforest conservation and never buy wild-caught parrots. Follow to learn more about parrots.